Welcome. This is JAMB year 2016 government pass question. Question number 46 say a state with hegemonic political party is one in which. Now, I want to talk of hegemonic means small land space. Then option A say there is one dominant party. B say there is no opposition party, there is only one party. Or D say other parties are officially recognized. Now, hegemonic party means that it is one. So there is one dominant party in a hegemony state. So not other party are available, not there is only one party, although the possibility that other party, but there is one dominant party. So option A is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.